Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page open hours. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Make sure you are logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on your profile name. Then tap on the three horizontal dots. And then click on Edit option. Now scroll down until you find Details option. Tap on the Edit button. Now tap on Add Hours, which is on the Basic Info. Now click on Hours bar. Then select whatever fits your specific business. Once you're done, tap on the Save button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can change Facebook page open hours. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.